Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna, and today we are going to make one of my baby's favorite Filipino snacks, which is ube maruya. Ube maruya. This is a what was that, purple yam? I think this is, yeah, they call them purple yam. But why did we call them purple yam? Because it's purple. Look at that. See that, guys? So what we're going to do is peel the skin off. Okay, I have a brush here. I'm gonna brush the skin, and this is the peeler, and I have a knife just in case, you know, the in between of this. Then I'm gonna show you. Okay, we'll wash them first. Okay, guys. And it's funny, guys, because my baby is always requesting this every time we go back home. And the last time he didn't get the chance to get a ube. We call it ube maruya. So it's because his birthday, so I'm going to make him a ube maruya. So we will gonna peel. And guys, this is a little slimy, or what do you call it? Yeah, I would say slimy, but this is delicious. But it's just slimy when it's raw, okay, especially when you're peeling off. So that's why I have gloves in here. So we're going to I'm gonna show you what it looks like and how beautiful purple it is. Okay, look at that, guys. So this is what it looks like. See how nice and beautiful that is. And my baba called them purple thing. Every time he goes back home, he always requests this from my mom, and he would say, "Mommy, can you make me some purple thing?" And he really loves this, and this is delicious. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. Just peel the whole thing, okay? And after we peel this off, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, guys? Thank you. So now, guys, so this is what it looks like. So after peeling the skin off, you see how nice and bright purple it is, guys. If you love purple yam is really perfect for you. I love the flavor of this purple yam, which is in Filipino word, or we call them ube. We call them ube, and my baby called them purple thing. And what we're going to do with this, guys, is we are going to grate them. Okay, we're gonna be grating them, and then I'm gonna show you the ingredients after we grate them. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is I'm gonna show you how to grate this beautiful ube. So I have a big chunk, and make sure, guys, if you are grating this ube, make sure that you have a gloves, because grater is a little dangerous. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like, okay? Oh yeah, my baba is so excited now. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It actually, guys, it's been a long time since I had this ube maruya, and this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like, guys. And so what we're going to do is just finish it up. Okay, guys? So there you go, guys. So this is our grated purple yam, or ube. That's our grated one. See how nice and beautiful that is, guys. It's not a very fine grating. You still have enough, you know, to chew, and I like that. I don't like it very fine, and it, you know, eating like a regular, or like eating a sweet potato, but this is totally differently delicious. So what we have right here, our ingredients is a flaxseed. This is a milled ground flaxseed, so we're going to use that. So instead of, normally you just use a regular flour, but we will level them up because this is my baby's birthday. So we're going to make a butter pecan cake mix as a binder. So we have vanilla extract, And this is gonna be nutty delicious because I have a roasted what do you call them? See, I forgot now. Oh my gosh. Okay, so pardon me guys. Oh my gosh. Early in the morning. But I have a walnut, roasted walnut here, chopped, and not too fine, but enough, you know, also to have a bite. And of course, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So what we're going to do now is I'm gonna add our flour, which is our cake mix. We will start on 1 cup, okay guys? And then if you think that it's still kind of runny, then you can add a little bit more at a time. But I'm gonna start on 1 cup first. And of course, since this is a cake mixes already have a salt, sugar, and milk in it. So I will not going to put any more sugar, okay guys? So that's 1 cup. I think 1 cup will be enough. So this is gonna be a delicious level up oop, which is, and then the next thing is our flax seeds. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon. Okay. Our vanilla extract, about teaspoon. Okay. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is about 1/2 cup of walnuts. Nice and delicious and roasted. Smells so good. Our 2 tablespoons of butter. And all we have to do is just mix them up. This beautiful ube. There you go. So all we have to do. So this is really an awesome recipe, guys. So this is not just an ordinary ube maruya. This is a level up because instead of using just a regular flour, I am using a cake mix, which is a butter pecan cake mix. So we will have like a double nutty with walnut and pecan and things like that. Oh my goodness. So after mixing them up, all we have to do is just fry them with deliciousness. Okay guys, so we will start frying now with our beautiful ube maruya. So I think the oil is already hot. So we're going to use, I'm gonna try this ice cream scoop and see what it looks like to make a ball like that. Oh yeah, look at that guys. So I'm gonna be using this ice cream scoop. So we will have an even sizes. Oh my god, look at that guys. I'm so excited. I know my baby is now. So what we're going to do this guys is just fry them for a minute each side. We doesn't wanna over fry them, okay, because this is easy to cook. All we have to do is just 1 minute per side, okay guys? Amazing! Yum! Awesome! Oh, it smells so good guys. If you can just smell it, yum! So this is gonna be a level up ube maruya. There you go. So we'll just fry this whole beautiful ube guys, okay? And we will be right back with you. Nice and beautiful guys. Look at that. Okay, and we will see. Oh my god, it smells so good. After a minute, look at that. Ah, delicious. So this is our level up ube maruya, and we'll be right back with you guys and show you the finished products.